What's up, everyone? Are you ready to take your eBay sales from 0 to 10 sales per day? Welcome back to Zeek Analytics, the place where e-commerce works. Today, I'm giving you 5 proven strategies to explode your eBay sales, but first, make sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get started. The first tip to boost your eBay sales is to optimize your product listings. Your listing is like your virtual storefront, and it needs to be enticing and informative. Here's what you can do to optimize your listings. First, use high-quality images. Capture your products from different angles to ensure that they are well lit and clear. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and great visuals attract potential buyers. Next is writing compelling titles. Craft catchy titles that highlight the key features and benefits of your product. Use relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Next is create detailed descriptions. Be thorough and descriptive in your product descriptions. Include vital details like dimension, color, material, and any unique selling points. Great. Now that your listings are optimized, let's move on to our second tip. Offer competitive pricing. Price is a crucial factor for buyers, so it's essential to offer competitive pricing. And here are some strategies that you can use. Research competitor prices. Study your competitors and set your prices accordingly. Ensure you're competitive without compromising your profit margins. Consider free shipping. Offering free shipping can be a powerful incentive for buyers. If feasible, build the shipping cost into the product price to attract more customers. Run promotions. Periodically, run sales or discounts to create that sense of urgency and drive more sales. Buyers love a good deal, so leverage that to your advantage. Outstanding customer service is vital for your eBay success. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive feedback and recommend you to others. So, here is how you can enhance your customer service. Respond promptly, answer buyer inquiries and messages promptly and professionally. Show that you care about their concerns and value their time. Provide detailed shipping information. Be transparent about shipping times and methods. Offering tracking numbers and delivery updates instills confidence in your buyers. Resolve issues amicably. If any problems arise, address them swiftly. Aim to find a mutually beneficial solution that leaves the buyer satisfied. Before moving on to our next tip, we'd love to hear about your success stories and any additional tips you have in the comments below. Moving on to tip number 4, in today's digital age, leveraging social media and marketing can be a game changer for your eBay sales. So here's what you can do. Create engaging content. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to showcase your products creatively. Engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. Collaborate with influencers. Reach out to influencers or content creators in your niche. Collaborating with them can expose your product to a wider audience and drive more sales. Utilize eBay promoted listings. Take advantage of eBay's promoted listings feature to boost the visibility of your product in search results. Set an advertising budget and select your target audience to maximize its impact. Our final tip is to actively solicit positive reviews and feedback from your satisfied customers. Positive reviews not only build trust with potential buyers, but also improve your eBay seller rating. And here's how you can encourage reviews. Send follow-up messages. After a successful sale, send a polite follow-up message thanking the buyer for their purchase. Kindly ask them to leave feedback if they're satisfied with their experience. Offer incentives. Consider offering incentives like discount codes or freebies to customers who leave positive reviews. This small gesture can go a long way in motivating them to leave feedback. Provide top-notch service. As we mentioned earlier, excellent customer service plays a significant role in generating positive reviews. So go above and beyond to exceed your customers' expectations. Congratulations! You're now armed with 5 powerful tips to boost your eBay sales to 10 sales a day. Remember, success on eBay takes time, effort, and consistency. Implement these strategies, adapt them to your business, and watch your sales skyrocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more eBay tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy selling on eBay.